What's up, guys? And I would love to tell you that this is the end of the course, and as it is the end of the course, we can do a lot of things. And here on Express Animate, we can also record our voice. For those who want to record their voice, it is very straightforward. To record your voice here, you just go straight to this button and you click here, and you can select your microphone, and you can select the name, the name of your audio. So for me, I'll go with let me go with give me let me go with give me, and I'll say, hey, you over there, I can see you, I can see you. Just keep it like that, and you will just edit on there, over there. You just close it just like that. This is how you record. Hey, you over there, I can see you, I can see you, can see you. So yeah, just something basic, like just like that. mm, there are a lot of things that you can do on your sound. You can decrease your sound here, you can increase your sound there, but I'll prefer you to use I'll prefer you to use a video pad for more when it comes to recording voice, or you can use wave pad and you push everything on video pad. The reason like I recommend video pad so much, it is because like with video pad you can also edit like the steps when he's walking. You can add more steps when he's walking, like hey, you over there, I can see you, some I can see you. You can also like can see edit a little bit of a background, like a little bit of a noise, like other people are talking over there. Then there's a lot you can do. There's a lot you can do, but I'll just prefer, after doing this, just save your project. After saving your project, let's just click here, and I'll click here, then I say save project. I've already said name my project to Dragnet, so you can just save your project just like that. You can just save your project just like that. Then you can export it. When you want to export it, just come here, you go to files, then you go to save project as. Then you have a billion options here. Then you can okay, this is not the right option. You can just come here, and you can save video. Yeah, go straight to save video, and just click that file. Then it will ask you a lot of options. Then you fill this. I want my video to be like a 2K for YouTube, then it will just do it right. Then you name your video, then you export it just like that. After you export it, your cartoon, just take it. For me personally, I don't know about you guys, for me, I really love like the coloring I did here. Just to be honest with you, it's very bright. I'm the fan of very bright coloring. If like you want, let's say you're a fan of Dead Note, you'll notice like Dead Note, like the team over there, they use something which is very washed out, very washed out. If you want that, you can do it on video pad. Then you just try to wash out most of the colors. But for me personally, I love like strong colors just like this, vibrant strong colors just like that. Then you can also do a lot of things. Save project as, you can just click there, then you can just click there. Yes, it's actually you want to replace, then you just hit to replace, so that next time when you want to come to your project, you just revisit it there. So we did a lot of things, guys. We did a lot of things. We started very basic, and this is what we came with at the end. We started drawing this cartoon, and I'm pretty sure like no one like actually thought like I will ever like be able like to come with something like the main results will be like this one. Will be like main result will be some good background, good sky, a grass, a good wooding, everything, um, everything just like this. No one actually thought of that.
Hey, 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 you over there. I can see you. I can see you.
But I feel like my voiceover is kind of delaying. Although like I didn't animate them out, I can still do that. I can still do that. So what I will do, I'll just click in this area. After clicking that area, I just click delete. I'll just redo that. I'll just redo that. Hey, hey, hey! Don't run away. I can see you. Hey, you over there. I forget to click stop. So here it asks you the media is longer than the composition duration. Do you want to increase the composition duration or truncate the media project? This simply means if you click here, that means the duration will be more than 5 minutes. So for me, I wanted to cut the end part so that it can fit my project.
Hey, 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 don't run away. I can see you. Hey, you over.
I wanted to say, hey, you over there when this guy is pointing. Okay, let me redo it one more time. Hey, 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 you there, I can see you. Hey, you over there, I can see you. Cancel. Hey, 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 you over there, I can see you. I can see you. Okay, let's try one more time. Let's see. Close.
Hey, 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 you over there. I can see you. I can see you.
Let me just go with that one. Do you know like the good thing about using video pair is that you can play it and record it and record while you are playing. You know, you can add sound effects. I'm not on the internet, so I won't be able to add a lot of sound effects because you can download more sound effects. Let me go with select this one for an example. I'm not in an internet, so I won't be able to download most of the sound, but I prefer nature most of the time. I prefer nature because nature, especially for this kind of an environment, um, you can add nature. You can add a lot of things, guys. This case is like, let me just leave it over there. Let me play it once.
Hey, 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 you over there. I can see you. I can see you. Hey, hey,
And
hey, hey, you over there.
and another thing about video paired, you can also adjust like the movement of your sound. Put it like a little bit backwards and or put it in between a little bit forward. You can remove it. Say I don't want this hey, I can just select it and then I delete it. This one another good thing about video pair. But guys, you let me know what you want me to do. You'll let me know what you want me to do on the next episode, and you'll let me know what you want me to do in the next episode. Then that's exactly what I will be doing. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this one. Please do let me know, guys, what you think about the course. Please let me know if is there anything else you learned. Please also let me know if is there anything you want me to explain. You would love me to explain further. You know, when it comes to cartoon animations, I know like I can make like the feet to go up to also like to feel like moving because now it's jumping, but I just wanted to keep it very simple. I wanted to keep it very simple. So yeah, this is how you try to keep your animation very simple. Thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to let me know what you love to see on the channel. Also, Please don't forget to share me some of the things that you did. Yeah, I hope like you did enjoy this one. I really wish like you guys did enjoy this one. So guys, I'll see you next time. I really love this one. It came perfect. It came flawless. So see you next time, guys. Although like the hand feels like the snake, like actually no one actually ever did he said like that one is working. But never mind about that, guys. I hope you love this one. Thank you so much. This is the end of the course. See you next time.